Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Netmod VPN application in all countries using the V2ray protocol for a fast, secure and stable internet connection on all networks. So don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, don't forget to share, and if you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open. So guys, let us start up. Yesterday at around, it was like 7 hours back, one of my viewers requested me a video on how to set up Netmod VPN, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to make like 7 videos on how to set up this VPN application. So first and foremost, head over to Google Play Store. You're going to download this VPN application, but you're going to in this video I'm going to use the V2ray protocol. Download Netmod. Just type Netmod VPN, download and install that VPN application, and then after, open. Keeping in mind that this tutorial is purposely for research, informational and educational. So after downloading it, it will be looking like that. Allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this VPN application, and then after confirming that it is the application you are holding in your device, head over to your home screen, and then after, look for Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. In your search bar of Google Chrome, search first SSH space V2ray, ray. Search and then choose the first server or the first website in your results. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like the video. Give it some few seconds to load, and then try to scroll down, but it may require you to watch an advert, which is okay. Watch an advert for like 2 seconds, and then we're going to close, and then try to zoom in. I don't recommend my viewers to choose, because I'm seeing 3 types of servers, but leave this one. You never know why have they not chosen to create that server, because it may fail. It may be failing to create. The reason why I'm telling you guys to leave the first server is because it has all the 3,000 accounts. That means many people have tried to create an account from it and it has failed. Now let us go and try to choose the USA Virginia server, but you can also try to choose other servers provided that they are near to your country's location. Let me choose that one for the interest of time, and then you're going to do this. Try to zoom in. The first thing to do is to confirm that you're not a robot, and then the second thing to do is to enter in your username. In this case, I'm going to use my username. You enter yours. Someone last time asked me why are they saying that the username exists? Because you have used mine. Don't copy and paste. Just put in your personal username or nickname. Let me use MarusTech65, and then you're going to put in your country's SNI, bagger host or / bagger host. If you don't have one, the comment section is open. Comment your country and the network. I'm going to be replying you instantly with your countries and networkers SNI / bagger host. In this case, let us use www.youtube.com. After that, scroll down and look for this create an account, that option. Check that and zoom out and wait for like 2 seconds for this thing to load. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. Comment anything you want, provided that you follow the community guidelines. Successfully, our account has been created. Now let us come right here where I have copy that, and then head over to your home screen. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. After opening Google Play Store, open that VPN application downloaded previously, Netmod. Then this is what we're going to do. We're going to come right here where you see that file like icon, and then you're going to paste. You're going to choose this option of instant import, activate that one, and then after you're going to come where you see import. By doing that, you do have successfully imported that config, and then check that pencil like symbol. Confirm that the SNI, confirm your SNI host or bug host that it is that one, that is, it is the SNI host of your country, the working one, or your network. Confirm the port is 443, the working one, and then that is it all. And then after, don't tick anything because you may have pressed something and changed the thing. You just press the X icon after confirming the host. Then you're going to just come right here. Going to come right there and set up the VPN application. Allow anything that will be asked you, accept the VPN service. By doing that, the VPN application will be connected successfully. As you see, the VPN service started. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.